Mu mwaka gwa 2003 ne yatwala engule ey'okuba omuzaani w'omwaka.
And many others. The list is long.
N'abandi ab'endawulo batasobole kumenya.
Given the nature of today's event,
okusinza ku mukolo gwa leero bwe guli kufaanana,
there is one more son of Busoga that I must mention.
Eri omwana ow'endawulo era okuva mu Busoga yalina okunokolayo.
That is Twaha Kakeire.
Oyo nga no Twaha Kakaire,
who in 1999,
mu mwaka gwa 1999,
when he was FUFA president,
ne yali president w'ekitongole ekifuga ebyemizaano gw'omupiira gw'ebigere mu Uganda,
introduced women's football.
Yatandikawo omuzaano gw'ebigere abakyala nga basamba omupiira gw'ebigere.
So, and it is not only sportsmen that Busoga is blessed with.
Abasoga tibasukulwime mu bya mizaano byonka wabula n'ebindi nga bwe mujja okuwulira.
You have great artists like the late Mose Radio.
Tulina abembi oba twalina ebembi ab'ebitone nga Mose Radio mwamutegeera ino.
You have another great artist called Richard Magola of Africa Band.
Eri omukyala Rachel Magola owa Africa Band ate nga member wa parliament akiikirira Bugweri district.
I mention all this because I want the young people to know
ebyo byonna byonna byogerako ng'ali kwenda emisaayi emito givumbule ebitone era lwaki ebitone byandibaire bitebwakweyisira.
Is that you can use your talent and become a very successful person.
Ensonga eri nti ekitone ekyo osobola okukikozesa kyakufuula ensonga mu iwanga lyona lyona ba mu nsi yona yona.
The government will continue to offer a supporting environment for all talented people, whatever their talents are.
Gavumenti yeyama era idda kwongera okuta omukono n'okuwanirira ebyemizaano egy'endawulo wona aganaaba nga getaagisa era nga getaagibwa.
For sports, the government has done a lot.
Mu byemizaano gavumenti ekoze kinene ino
in identifying talent, in building infrastructure,
mu kuvumbula ebitone eby'endawulo era n'okutaawo ebikozesebwa mu bitone ebyo,
and rewarding sportsmen and sportswomen.
n'okusiima ab'emizaano abakyala n'abaami okubonera ku goalkeeper waife ya Uganda Cranes mu iddukira president yamusiima yamuwa enzirusi eyali captain wa Uganda Cranes.
I'll just mention a few areas where the government has supported sports.
Ajja kutaaku ebyokubeeraku ebitontono ebyolagirwaku ki gavumenti byekozeeku ebyeyogerera.
The government is now paying the salaries of the national football team, Uganda Cranes.
Gavumenti eri kusasula emisaala abazaani bonabona abasambira ttiimu y'eiwanga yaife eya Uganda Cranes. Gavumenti yabata ku payroll bafune omusaala.
And their female counterparts, crested cranes.
N'abazaani ba She Cranes abalala bona babata ku payroll okufuna omusaala.
The government gives FUFA 10 billion shillings every year.
Gavumenti ewa ekibiina kya FUFA obuwumbi 10 buli mwaka
to support sporting activities.
Okuwanirira ebyemizaano mu ngeri y'endawulo.
The government is also supporting all the other 55 sporting bodies in the country.
Government tekomye okwo eri kuwanirira ebitongole ebindi 55 ebigema ku by'emizaano egy'endawulo.
The government is also in the process of refurbishing Mandela Sports Stadium.
Gavumenti yatandika okwiraabiriza ekisaawe kyaife kyemweta Namboole ayekyota na Mandela National Stadium batandika okikola ababitayo okwenaku dino mubona ebiri kujja mu maiso.
In Namboole.
Namboole galiwo bembona abayambika obutakola nga baliwo balikola.
And this work is being done by our own UPDF Engineering Brigade. They are the ones doing that work in Namboole.
Era omulimu ogwo gwagemesebwa abaana baife abajaasi ab'amagye ga Uganda gwetata UPDF nga nabali kutambuza kanabwala.
So you can see that the President and the government of Uganda are committed to supporting sports in the country.
Ekyo kiragira yala nga President waife ali gavumenti bamalirivu okuwitabulula n'okugemerera.
And I think in the not so distant future, resources will be enhanced, increased for sports.
Owekitiibwa Mukumwinera azza mu kutya nti ssaawa yonna yonna n'ensawo oba budgeti egema ku by'emizaano ejja kwongerebwamu amaani n'embavu otubaye tufune edo bijekedde yongeraku mu ngeri y'okuwanira eby'emizaano. Awo kubako obugalo awulira akagamba ako.
To our guests, the visiting teams from Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, Djibouti, Zanzibar, and South Sudan, I would like to welcome you very warmly to Jinja and to Uganda.
Awo alikwongera okwaniriza ensi balirwana baife mikwano gyaife okuva edo donadona bwagireka adibala abakyaire wano abaaniriza idinda yayongera okubaaniriza mu Uganda nti bawulire emirembe abaana Uganda bantu bayikaikamu abawaya n'abageni.
Some of you might have heard that Uganda is called the Pearl of Africa.
Abandi muyinza okuba nga bawuliraku nti Uganda eyetebwa eikula lya Africa.
But Jinja is the Pearl of Uganda.
Inda neikula lya Uganda kyova owulira mu lwemba lwa Busoga mulimu akagambo nti woida mu Uganda n'otatuuka ku muyinda. Enkuni ya Uganda oba okoze eki? Obugalo.
The River Nile starts its journey from here
Omwiga Kiira gusibuka nga noyinda gutandikira megwa tabala
to the Mediterranean,
okulanda paka musemayanda eyetebwa Mediterranean Sea.
A journey of over 6,000 kilometers.
Olugendo olutambulibwa emita edigera akakaaga.
There are a lot of sights to see here in Jinja.
Waliwo ebyobulambuzi bingi ino wano mweyenda bye basaana okulambulaku ate ge balambula mwena babikuuma mufunaku akantu.
And I want to thank in a special way the Chabazinga of Busoga and his cabinet.
Era mu ngeri y'endawulo asiimye Iseife Kyabazinga Gavana Nadyopo wookuna olw'okumwaniriza mu matwale ge mu bwa Kyabazinga bwa Busoga.
For developing some of these cultural sites in Busoga.
Mu kufuba okubona nga akulankulanya ebitundu ebyobulambuzi eby'endawulo mu Busoga.
I therefore urge you, our guests, to find time out of your sporting activities to tour Jinja and enjoy these sites.
alikwongera okwaniriza n'okusaba abagenyi baife abakyaire ku biseera byabwe nga bamaze okuzaana emizaano bafuise okukaire bajje balambule ku ebyobulambuzi bye tuli nabyo Katonda bye yatugabirira mu Busoga babe ni kye banayirayo ne bagaya ati mutuufu twalambuire Busoga twalambuire Idinda ni Uganda yona yona.
I want to assure all of you that Uganda is calm and peaceful.
Ayongera okugumya abagenyi nimwe abana Uganda nti Uganda ndikaikamu ntebenkevu buli muntu gyeyagaliremu.
And this is because of the great work that is being done by our security forces.
Nga kuno omulimo gusinze okuteebwamu amaani ebitongole byaife ebyokwerinda ebitukta mu bukumu obwo nti tulina okuba butebenkevu nga ise mateeka bwakoba.
Finally, I would like to tell the competing teams
ngakubira alikwenda okukobera tiimu edaidi okuvugania dona
the words of a great sportsman in America. He was called Mike Marshall. He used to play baseball.
Nga ayongera okwikatiriza ebigambo by'omukenkufu omumerika erina lyatukobye ali wulire
who said,
eyakoba ati
victory is in the quality of competition and not in the final score.
Nti obuwanguzi businzira ku kuvuganya kw'otairewo tiimu eyo goolo yosembye okukuba oba kyekiviiremu ayiye okuvuganya kutereibwawo.
So merely by participating in these Sekafa games, you are already victorious.
Okwetaba kwonka tiimu nevaayo etinze kanje neetabemu ekyo kyonka kiraga obuvumu n'obuwanguzi obwa tiimu dona ensi edasaze okwetaba mu kuvuganya kuno.
It is important to win, but even more it's important to enjoy the games.
Kiwoma ino era kirungi ino okuwangula wabula kabiri kyaba kisavu okuba nti weetabyemu wawoomerwa envuganya bwetambwire.
In conclusion, I'd like to thank all the people of Busoga. Thank you so much for coming in big numbers. Ngakubira
obanga amaliriza ali kusiima abantu mwena abavuyire ebule n'ebweya okwida mu bungi mutyo okumwaniriza ate n'okubaawo ng'atongoza enkuuka eno.
We love you very much.
Abenda ino.
Enjoy the games.
Muwoomerwe emizaano.
And keep on supporting the president and the government of Uganda.
Mwongere ino okuwagira President Museveni ni Uganda agalalawo.
I also want to thank all the high government officials, high-level government officials for making time to come for this function.
Ayongera okusiima abakolowo, abamente, bakabudodwa mwena abakiise era ne mufaayo okuba ku mukolo guno.
The Prime Minister, Third Deputy Prime Minister, ministers, MPs, all of you, thank you so much for your support.
Asimye Prime Minister yasima Katuukiro, yasima bamemba ba Parliament n'abakulembeze mwena mu kooti ed'endawulo.
I want to thank again in a special way the Chawazinga of Busoga.
Mu ngeri y'endawulo ayongera okusiima iseife yagiire n'alamusaaku ne bagaya ku bye bagayiyaku eigenge olwale luno ng'akaali kutuuka wano.
Before I came here, I was at the palace and we had a very good discussion with the Chawazinga.
Ng'akaali kutuuka wano abaire ku eigenge mu lubiri bagaya binjiri kyabazinga era yaba abaire musimu ino.
I would like to thank team chairman, my friends team chairman.
Team chairman Mwami Toyota asimibwa mu ngeri y'endawulo ino.
With the chairman, Mr. Toyota, team chairman, I'm so proud of you. You keep on.
Basebo Mwami Toyota ayongera okusimibwa mu ngeri y'endawulo kubanga bino byonna bibaire gano nibye bukabona na bibairemu okubona ke bituuka wano.
You keep performing miracles. We're proud of you, team chairman.
Mwami Toyota ayongera okujja kakola ebyendawulo ebyamagero okubona nga ekintu kino kigemayo.
I would like to also thank Revolutionary Guards.
Ekyo ekikunsu ekyalwaki abalwani baaliwo lwaki balwana kyebeta Revolutionary Guards